Hello guys, I'm unboxing a eBay exhaust today for a 2020 Kawasaki Z900. So I saw this on eBay and it was around $120 for the entire slip-on system compared to $300 to $400 for the original brands. And obviously, like on eBay, they're knockoffs and they put not the proper logos and branding on them. But I figure for such a big price difference, it'd be interesting to get one of these, show the sound difference between this and stock, and kind of give people another option. One of the things you got to consider with the eBay exhaust is there's no instructions or anything of that sort. So once I get everything unboxed here, I'll be able to show you what all this really comes with. I ended up getting one that is a rebranding of an SC Project slip-on. Don't want to scratch anything having on the wood here. Use these paper towels now. And in theory, it should be fairly simple to put together. I don't see there being a ton of different parts needed for this. Just a matter of getting everything unboxed. So, and later on in the video, after I get this installed, I'll be able to do a sound comparison between stock and this slip-on. I already opened up this one earlier, but I mean, it has super nice quality. It looks a lot nicer than it should for $120. As you can see with this pipe as well, it's pretty impressive, to be completely honest. Make sure there's no other kind of parts in here, and get everything undone so you guys can see. So like I said, there's no instructions. However, it should just be unbolt one and put the other on. Get you off the stand here. Bring it closer. So we have the slip-on, which is a rebranded SC Project, which actually looks pretty nice. We have just a small pipe to go from the headers to the slip-on. A couple of the brackets, springs, another bracket, and only 2 pieces of hardware. So we'll see how complicated this is to put together. The next section of this is going to be just having a couple exhaust clips of the Z900. It has completely stock exhaust, stock headers. It has only about 1,000 miles on it, so it's damn near brand new. So this is a totally cold start. The bike has not been started before this. Turn it on. Alright, as you guys saw, it was pretty easy to get that off. All you're going to need is 4mm Allen, a 10mm socket, and then a couple hand wrenches to hold the nut on the back side of this bolt, and then it slides right off. So now I'm going to grab onto the new parts, see how the new slip-on fits onto here. This portion did come off of the factory cats, so it'll be interesting to see if whether or not I have to use this for the new slip-on. If I do, I'll let you guys know, and we'll go from there. At this point, I've only had 3 pieces of hardware have to come off. It's been pretty simple. Alright guys, so I got this on. It was a little bit confusing just because of the no instructions part. If you attempt to put it on with this bracket going through the normal mounting spot, obviously the pipe isn't over enough. So that's why they give you this L-shaped bracket, and it moves the pipe over about 1 inch. And then you're able to take one of the 2 screws that they supplied. I believe this was just an extra. And you're able to cinch this down and get this rubber grommet here. And then you have these coil springs to attach the 2 mounting points, just like with a normal exhaust. And then down here, it's a tapered clamp, and you just tighten up the clamp with your wrench. Once everything's on there, this is really sturdy now. So I'll do a startup and rev it a few times, and then we can see what the difference is. And I'll give you my final thoughts after that. Alright guys, and that's pretty much the install of one of these eBay slip-ons. The sound, definitely a little bit more there. Obviously the stock catalytic converters that are underneath the bike are going to be cutting back on a lot of that sound. And then the reason for all the smoke is it's about 25 degrees out today, so it's super cold in here. But I appreciate you watching, and hopefully I'll get a video of some flybys when the weather gets a little bit warmer.